Hi everyone, I'm Susan Mulvihill and I'm out in my vegetable garden checking on this bed that I'm growing cover crops in. You might recall that in this bed I planted peas many months ago. They grew beautifully, we picked a lot, and then when the weather got super hot, the plants just said, we're done. So I pulled them out, put them in the compost pile. I loosened the soil lightly, and then I planted these cover crop seeds. Now the point of a cover crop is to plant them in an idle bed and to let them grow to a certain point. Then you chop them up, work them into the soil, let them decompose, and they will add in all sorts of great nutrients that plants that you grow in the future in this bed will benefit from. So sometimes cover crops are also called green manure crops, so I wanted to clarify that. I found this great package of seeds that's a mix. In this case, it's cereal rye grain, buckwheat, and Austrian winter peas. This is buckwheat right here, these ones with the big leaves. And as you can see, they just started to bloom. So that's telling me that I can safely chop them up and work them into the soil. What I'm going to do is to take head shears and I'm going to chop them up quite a bit. The reason I'm doing that is because the more that you chop something up, the more surface area is exposed to different types of microbes that will help decompose the plants more quickly. So there's plenty of time for you to do this. If you have a bed in your garden that does not have anything growing in it or is done, plant some cover crops. You can do this all the way into the fall, and next year whatever you grow in those beds that you planted cover crops in will do beautifully. Happy gardening.